welcome back to IndyStyle. You're going to love our next guest. We're here with Will Sadler. He's the director of Transitions of Indiana. You're going to be so interested to know it's now the largest hair restoration clinic in the Midwest. Will, welcome to the show, and first, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I know we're super excited to be on the show today and going over our newest technology that we have coming on board now. And
Exosomes,
yes,
right?
Yeah, it's really exciting stuff. It's been completely revolutionary, not just in hair, but also just in medicine in general, and it's really fascinating as what it's capable of doing.
Well, I've seen some of the transitions that you've offered for both men and women, thousands of them over the past 25 years. How has Exosomes changed the game?
So Exosomes is taking kind of a more regenerative type property to it, right? So it's the latest in biotech solution, and it's been shown to really help with getting people their hair back, stronger, faster, fewer treatments, and they're lasting longer. The results are
exactly
awesome.
what we want.
Yes.
What specifically can you describe what are exosomes?
So to put it kind of in layman's terms,
layman's terms, right? That.
So I know that you've got the the science background.
I'm a scientist, but layman's terms would be great.
Exactly. So basically, it's a tiny particle that is released from the mesenchymal stem cell. So this is going to send a message out to your body to recruit in its own cells to come in, replace out damaged one, increase vascularity, which is to increase more blood flow and help with just re-strengthening and refortifying everything that's within that area that needs it.
That's incredible stuff. Well, hair restoration, from what I hear, has really changed, and companies like Transitions are now relying on the science and technology. You guys have a really cool video from Nikki Reed, who also used Exosomes, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Let's see what she has to say right now.
Hey, it's Nikki from WZPL. I'm at Transitions Indy today. I'm going to do the new Exosome treatment. So they are one of the select few people in the country that are allowed to do this treatment. And Exosomes is a biotech regenerative solution for men and women with thinning hair. So Transitions Indy helped me already with my hair when it stopped growing. It got all stubby and sad with CR Labs and their laser treatments and PRP. And with Exosomes, it's a new way to help get that solution with adding, kind of a full and thickness to my hair. So I'm super excited about it. I've got a really busy schedule. I have a lot going on. I love this treatment because it's fast, 45 minutes in and out, no downtime. If you're looking for a company that can help you with your thinning hair like they helped me and so many other men and women, you got to get with Transitions.
What a good testimonial. We love Nikki. Her hair was thicker, fuller, healthier. You could tell she's really excited about it. I'm curious from you, Will, how did you know Exosomes could help your clients?
We are always trying to stay on the leading edge technology whenever it comes to anything with hair restoration. We offer different options with hair transplantations, hair loss treatment options like FDA approved laser hair therapy, PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma, and we're just trying to make sure that we offer the best possible solutions for our clients that are out there to ensure that they get the best possible results.
Okay, what can we expect, or what can your client expect when they come in for an exosome treatment?
So it's super fast, it's easy, you're in, you're out in under 45 minutes, and that's one of the great things about it. And
so it could be like a long lunch break situation.
Yes, yeah, we actually have people that come in during their lunch break, have the treatment done, they're right back in the office right after their treatment. So it's really pretty amazing stuff, and there's no downtime with it either.
Oh, well, that's incredible. We're looking at some before and afters now, right?
Yeah, so Nikki, she did some of our products, so our trichology-based products, our laser hair therapy options, PRP as well, and her hair has responded beautifully with it. But for her, she's very, very busy, on the go, and she's looking at trying to maintain these results as long as she can over time. And with the Exosomes, and the fact that we've been seeing that the results are lasting longer, this was perfect for her to be able to maintain those results, and it's been a great option for her.
Well, it's absolutely, and thicker and fuller right there.
So this is a pretty unique one. I mean, we're seeing results as soon as 6 weeks after doing a treatment with the Exosomes, which has been unheard of with previous treatments. And, again, it's not a one-size-fits-all. There are people that can, maybe better suited for lasers or better suited for Exosomes or PRP and, or hair transplant. This is me actually here before my transplant. So with our association with We Grow Hair Indy, we actually are able to offer the latest technology in hair transplantation as well. So it was a huge landmark for me, a huge game changer.
I hate to wrap this up because this is fascinating. I'm sure from your perspective, this is just so exciting to be able to offer this to your clients, right?
Oh, we are super thrilled about it. Yeah, we can't wait to help out more and more people. And whether you're a man or a woman that's going through hair loss, just contact us at 317.
Where do we go?
Yeah, so you can contact us at 317-522-2995 or go to transitionsindy.com and schedule your free scalp analysis.
You can get a free analysis, and from what I hear, the sooner the better, right?
Yes.
If you're feeling that, go ahead and make an appointment.
Absolutely. You
Okay,
got it.
thank you so much, Will. Randy, interesting stuff, isn't it? I was fascinated.
It's amazing what they can do now.
It is. You know, I've had some hair loss from having all the babies, and I'm thinking this is the way to go. This sounds more natural. It's just so interesting.